morning mga palangga. Actually, it's afternoon na. So anyway, ito na ako. Pupunta na ako sa trabaho. Naka-fleece ako kasi sobrang lamig sa labas. Naka-uniform na ako. And suot ko yung binili kong trousers sa Gap nung pumunta kami sa Manchester. Before ako pupunta sa trabaho, mag-open muna ako ng ating pang 12. Sandali lang ha, ito turn on ko yung ring light. I-open natin yung pang 12 na item natin sa ating advent calendar. Yan. Hindi pa ako nakapag-lipstick. Naglagay lang ako ng lip balm. Hindi to yung lip balm na ginamit ko kasi itong item na to pang 11 to sa ating advent calendar. And I have the same item. Ito siya, oh. Yan. Yan. Sobrang dami pa. Ewan ko kung kailan pa siya mauubos. Pero at least meron tayong extra dyan. Or ibibigay ko na lang siguro yan sa friend ko. So, saan na ba yung pang 12 natin dito? 12? Or are you? Ayaw mo magpabukas? Hindi pala pang 12. Naku! Ano bang iniisip ko? Pang 13 na. Kasi ito yung pang 12 natin. Oo, tama. I'm so sorry. So, pang 13 na item. Kaya pala, hindi ko mahanap yung 12 kasi na-open na siya. So, ito yung pang 13 natin. Oh, medyo malaki yung pang 13 na item natin. Nasyunga naman ako eh. Hindi ko na maalala kung pang ilang item na yung bubuksan natin. Kasi ngayon is 11. So, kanina nag-vlog ako para sa ating pang 12 na vlogmas. So, this will be our 13 na item. Next professional makeup duo chromatic illuminating powder. Ito siya. Yan. Hindi ko to i-open din kasi itong mga to, hindi ko na lang siya gagamitin. Ibibigay ko na lang to. Kasi sayang naman, kasi hindi ko talaga magagamit or itatry ko sila pero once ko lang magagamit. Kasi illuminating powder. Ayaw ko kasi yung may mga shimmer-shimmer. Mostly nito. No, hindi yan. Ito, I regret for opening this one. Kasi hindi ko talaga yan magagamit unless gagala ako. Pero alam niyo naman ako saan ako gagala na mag full-on makeup. Never pa akong nakagala na full-on makeup, eyelash extension, or ganyan, mga, mascara, eyeshadow. Never pa talaga akong nakagala na ganyan yung mukha ko. Kasi si Jan, ayaw niya yung ganyan. He always said, you don't need makeup. You don't need makeup. Noon talaga, nung pagdating ko dito, ayaw niya na magkilay ako. Pero ngayon, nasanay na talaga siya. Oy, kasi noon talaga yung kilay ko sobrang bushy talaga. So anyway mga palangga, this will be another vlog. Iiwan ko kayo dito sa bahay. Hindi na ako magba-vlog siguro. Iwan ko ba? Pero let's see na lang. Let's see sa mood ko. Meron na akong paracetamol dito. Lahat na para later on iinom tayo ng gamot.
Hi guys, my darling wife Mia, she's at work, so you can see me, it might be bad light actually. She's at work, so while she's at work I'm going to take this opportunity to wrap her Christmas present. She doesn't know that I've got her, she doesn't even know I've got her a present. And I'm not actually going to show you while I'm wrapping it what it actually is, because I know she'll pick this piece of video up and see, which you can see that I've got her a present, but that's it, because I want it to be a complete surprise on Christmas morning. All I can say is it's something she's wanted for the last probably 2 years. I never got it because I obviously just bought other things for her, but I'm hoping it'll be a nice surprise and she'll have a nice smile on her face when she gets it on Christmas morning. So anyway, I've got all the gear, I've got the tape, I've got the paper, I've got everything in hand now to do it. She's up there. So I'm going to get cracking, guys, and then once what's she done? Oh, I see. This is the paper. This is the paper. It's got reindeers on it. Look. See? Quite good. Got lines on the back so you can see how to cut it square. Right, so anyway, I'll get this done and then I will be back in the next 10 minutes. And I hope that everyone out there is happy and well and getting ready for Christmas and getting excited. And also don't forget, guys, it's going to be 2 lucky winners of the Christmas giveaway of 10,000 peso or equivalent to whatever country you're in. So, you know, please, you've got to be in it to win it. So you've got to subscribe, you've got to hopefully leave some comments and things like that. Mia has set the conditions out. I've not got it to hand, but you know, I think you've got to follow on her Facebook as well and things like that. But go for it, guys, because you know it's fabulous, really. It's gonna make somebody's Christmas a little bit easier financially. I know it's not thousands of pounds or anything, but you know, 10,000 pesos, it's quite a bit of money for some of you guys. So you know, be in it to win it. You know, watch all the uploaded videos, because I know she did mention to me that you know, she wants to make sure that everybody is complying. You know, to be in it, because if you don't comply, you won't go into the selection process, because obviously she logs everything, you know, from you know, all the subscribers and everything like that. So she knows who you all are. I know she doesn't reply to all of you because it's just physically not possible. But I know from deep within her heart she thanks you all for all the support that you do give her, and likewise myself. Really pleased, and I love a lot of the comments that come. The haters, well, carry on being the haters, but let's face it, it's Christmas time, so why not just enjoy life, stop being a hater and just be yourself and enjoy, unless that is being yourself, of course, but just enjoy it and enjoy the festive season. So anyway, I'm going to sign out for a little while I just do this, and then once it's all wrapped I will then show you. Okay, bye for now. Hi guys, I'm back and I have managed to wrap the present. I'm going to hide it now. Or should I put it under the tree? What do you think? This is it. See, this is a present. Got a nice little bow. Most people put it on the top, but I'm doing it. I put some little tassels on as well, you see. So, well, you know what it should be like. If I put it under the tree, it'll be, tomorrow it'll be, what is it? She'll be shaking it and touching and squeezing and feeling. She'll be all excited. This is what she's like, you see. You know, you see her excited on camera, she's like it off camera as well. You know, and it's nice being like that. But, yeah, that's it. So we've done a reasonable sort of job, I think. Anyway, I need to get her a card for Christmas, but I haven't done yet. So what Mia did do when she first arrived here, for the first probably 3 years, she used to make the Christmas card. She used to make one for me, and it was so wonderful, the some of the that she's done. I'll have to show you, get them out and show you what she's actually done. It's very creative and really good, and some beautiful words she puts inside. So I wish I had the talent like that, but I don't. So anyway, that's her present, all done and dusted. So at least that's one job less, ready for Christmas. I think she's ordered some food to be collected on the 23rd for Christmas today as well at the butcher's. So things are looking quite good, and we're getting organised now because it'll soon be here. Right guys, I'm going to sign out for now and wishing you all the best and Merry Christmas. I know a lot of you guys also comment about Mia not speaking English. I would like her to speak a little more English than what she does. Obviously when I'm on cam with her, she does. Obviously, because for me, I understand a little bit of Tagalog and Bisaya, but it's so much easier for me in English and like for a lot of other people. And because I know a lot of Filipinos understand all the English anyway, so I'm working on it, trying hard to get her to you know, do a bit more English in the vlogs. Because the problem is, you see, people say, oh, why do you put subtitles? But the problem with subtitles is it takes so long to put them on. There is actually a program on there, but because of all the different slangs, the way words are spoken in obviously different parts of like UK and other parts of the world, the slang, it doesn't always pick the right word up, so you still end up having to edit it all. So you might as well, you know, just type them in as you go. But it takes such a long time, and she, to be fair, she doesn't have the time with everything else that she's doing. So just bear with her. And I'm working on it to do a lot more English. So anyway, big thumbs up guys for Christmas, and all the best, and I will be with Mia when we announce the winners for the Christmas giveaway. So between now and then, don't forget, subscribe, watch the videos, do the Facebook bit and everything else she said, and then you're in it to win it. Alright, so bye for now guys, and see you very soon.
Good afternoon mga palangga. It's another day and it's another vlog. This vlog will be uploaded on the 13th of December. Pagpasensya nyo na, paos pa din ako, but I can say that I am now 75% better. Maraming salamat talaga sa lahat ng mga concern nyo. Maraming salamat. So kanina, nag-edit ako, and I can see last night, pagpasensya nyo na, na-excite lang talaga ako. So kanina, nag-edit ako, and I can see that Mr. did a bit of editing last night while I was away at work, and nakita ko na may gift siya sa akin. Binalot niya yung gift niya sa akin. There it is. Mr. is not here. He went out for clay pigeon shooting. I don't know if he's enjoying because the weather is raining with hailstone. But before he left at home, he told me to not touch your gift because I put the gift in a certain way. So if you touch the gift, I know that you touch it. Ito siya. Yan. As much as I want to touch it, I'm not touching it para mas exciting ngayong 25th sa December. So maraming salamat Mr. sa effort. And going back to vlogging, nag-vlog si Mr. last night and he mentioned about of me. He wants me to speak more of English because of the people, some of the people doesn't understand Tagalog and they want me to speak more of English as well. So to those people who cannot understand Tagalog, I am sorry. As you know, my native language is Tagalog. I am a Filipino. So I am working on speaking more of English, but I can say that I can express more myself and I am more comfortable in talking and using my own language. And you know, I am trying to keep everyone happy, but in the internet, it's so hard to please everyone. There's two types of people. They either love you or hate you. That's the truth. So I will speak more of English, but I'm not saying that I will be just speaking in English. The vlog will be still the same. It will be still Bisaya, Tagalog, and English. So 3 languages will be spoken in this vlog. So yes, kasi dumudugo na yung ilong ko. I will be having a nosebleed if I just speak English because I am not much of a speaker talaga. I am more of writing. I mean, hindi naman ako talaga magaling sa English, pero if you gonna ask me kung saan ka comfortable using English sa speaking or writing, I will choose writing. Ewan ko lang, but that's what I am. Anyway, oops. I forgot. I print a recipe because today we will make a meat and potato pie. The recipe is from this one, BBC Food. I find the recipe easy. So, pag naghahanap ako ng recipe online, I go to their website most of the time. And if I cook Filipino food, I always go to Panlasang Pinoy. Yan. The most challenging in this recipe is making pastry. I am not good at making pastry. Good luck to me. Kaya natin to. Aja! I will put the recipe in the description down below. So if you would like to check the recipe, go ahead and check it. So, for the pie filling, they're asking for braising steak. I don't have a braising steak. I only have beef casserole steak. So, that will do. Medium onions, potatoes, 1 tablespoon of beef extract, and 4 tablespoons of gravy granules. So, I'm just gonna cut up my meat, and I don't know. I really don't know what I am putting myself into. But sometimes challenging yourself makes you more braver person because you tried it, you know that you can do it. So we can do this. The recipe is good for 12 servings, and the asking meat here is 2.7 kilograms, which I don't have, so I will just adjust my recipe. And the usual, I'm not following the recipe, but the recipe is inspired by the BBC Food. The fire, the wood burner. Naku, tingnan nyo. Muntik na siyang mamatay. Right, so now we are working with our pie filling. Ang gagawin ko, ilulunod ko na lang yung yung meat. Meron na siyang tubig dito. Nauna yung tubig. Onion. Yung instinct ko talaga, gigisahin ko muna. Pero, yeah, I'm following the recipe. So, put enough water daw to cover the meat. Lalagyan pa natin ng kaunting tubig kasi medyo mababaw pa yan. Yan. Pwede na yan. Lalagyan natin siya ng kaunting salt. There you go. Now, the exciting part, making pastry. So, hihintayin na lang natin yung meat na lumambot. 2:20 pa dito ng hapon, so there's plenty of time. So, plain flour, fats, and ano pa ba dito? 2 teaspoons of salt, cold water, right, okay. $235 lang yung gagamitin ko na flour. For the pastry, dip the flour and salt into a bowl and add the cubes of margarine and lard using your fingertips. Right, wala akong asin dito. Tansya-tansya lang. There you go, asin. Add this one. Right, magsisimula na tayo. Excuse my hands. Malinis po yung kamay ko. Naghugas po ako ng kamay. I hope maging successful to. First time ko tong gumawa ng meat and potato pie. Natikman ko kasi sa trabaho, kaya ayun, na-inspired na naman ako. Since na I work in there to where I work now, I must say that I learned a lot from that place. Kasi yung mga cook namin, tinuturuan nila akong magluto. Kasi sabi ko na, I want to learn to cook your food. Because I've been telling them na I'm not good at cooking your food. I am still learning. And they are there very willing to teach you. Mag-a-add na tayo ng tubig. Gradually. Sabi dito, use a cutlery knife to mix it. Naku, nagbe-blink na naman yung battery. Tatapusin ko muna to din. Kung malulubat kayo, babalikan ko lang kayo. Nalubat kayo kanina mga palangga. So, ito na yung pastry natin. Tinapos ko na lang siya at ninid ko na din siya. So, babalutin ko na siya ng cling film. Para lagay natin sa fridge. Muntik na mahulog. There you go. Yan. Ready na for later. Walang tigil yung ulan. Yan. Oh. See? Walang tigil. Walang tigil. Yung meat natin, I'm pretty sure malambot na yan. Try ko muna, ha? Mga veggies to, beans and carrot. Yeah, yung meat. Tender na yung meat. Hindi kasi ako sure if gagamitin ko ba ito lahat, itong liquid na nandito. Oh, natalsikan ako. Babalik ko to sa heat. Hindi na talaga ako nag-follow ng instruction. I'm just doing what I think it's right. Kasi sa trabaho, nakikita ko na ginagawa nila ito. I'm not sure if magkasya siya. No, I think we need to put this in here. Yan. I think it's much better. Yung meat potato pie ko, hindi ko siya lalagyan ng pastry sa bottom. Lalagyan ko lang siya ng pastry sa top. Ayop lang talaga, masarap. At magustuhan ni John. Yun yung importante. So, we need to prepare our pastry. Nandoon pa din siya sa fridge. Try natin. Yan. Perfect. Itikman ko muna to just to see if I am completely happy sa lasa ng ating meat and potato. Perfect. Well, masarap na para sa akin. Iwan ko lang kung kay Mister masarap pa. Right. Oh dear. This is not an ideal dish really, pero well. Just gonna put that in there like that. Hindi to ideal dish kasi yung meat natin, dito lang yung meat natin, oh. Yan. At yung pastry, nandyan. So, ito yung nangyari sa pastry natin. Yan. It doesn't look good. You see? Yan. Well, anyway, I think that should be fine. It won't harm. Papahidan ko lang siya ng itlog. Iwan ko lang talaga kung ano ang lasa nito, yung pastry. Alam ko masarap yung meat and potato natin, pero yung pastry, fingers crossed. So, ilalagay ko na siya sa oven for 45 minutes. So, yun na. Yun na yung meat and potato pie natin. I-update ko kayo later. I-check natin yung ating meat and potato pie. 5 to 5 na ng hapon dito. And sabi ni Jan, babalik siya. Umalis si Jan actually, nakarating na ng bahay. Umalis siya ulit. So, ito na yung meat and potato pie natin. Looking good. I think, hang on. Oh, I think I need 2 hands. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. Ay, mabigat. Naglagay ako ng fries. Kaunti lang kasi sabi niya, gusto niya ng fries. Everything is ready. So, dyan na lang yung hinihintay. I'm just waiting for John. He quite clearly said he will be back for 5 o'clock. I don't like people being late. So, Mister, you better be home in 5 minutes. And he's here. Good job.
Why don't die?
It's 4:57.
I'm not late, am I?
You're not late, yeah? That's a good...
5 o'clock, I'll be home.
Okay. So, ito na yung meat and potato pie natin. It's looking good. I hope masarap. So, i-dish out na natin. I'll put you right there.
Right time to quick change to get these.
Yeah, you have
hot
time to have a
Right,
quick
okay.
change.
You dish up now.
Huh?
You dish out.
Ito na siya. Yum! What are you doing?
Vinegar on my fries.
Gosh, I don't like...
Oh, you always got to have vinegar on your fries.
Mm-mm.
Do you know?
I don't like it.
Do we need sauce? I'll have a little bit of red.
That's enough, honey.
Want some?
No, thank you.
Yeah.
Now, what you gonna say? Masarap. Honey, are you busog?
No.
Are you busog? Are you feeling full?
Am I
Are you full?
full? I'm bloated.
Is it good?
Excellent, darling.
Good.
Really, really good. I will give you 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Thank you. I'm glad that he likes it. So, mga palangga, i-end ko na yung vlog natin dito. So, I'll see you soon. See you in my next vlog. Bye. Mwah, mwah.